General, copy General.
Yes, Colonel.
Sergeant 1 is down. I repeat, Sergeant 1 is down.
And where is Sergeant 2?
He's been hostage by enemy forces.
What? Don't stand up. See? It's up. Welcome, Sergeant 1.
General help me. General help me.
Help for what? Let's help them! Sergeant 3! Sir? We're going on a trip on my favorite rocket ship. What? Nothing, let's go. Sergeant 4?
Yes, sir.
But sir, it's still dangerous. My life, my country. Your side, my side, move! Roger that!
General, I've been hostage. I found the body of Sergeant 1 and Sergeant 2. And I'm sorry, sir. Bye.
No!